boy. Don't pee on his car.
กูสิเอาอีผมเดี๋ยวกูโทรหาอีผมเดี๋ยวแป๊บนึงโทรหาอีผมก่อนโอเค
Oh, those are little shrimp, little crawdads.
กุ้งเต้นน้ำมะนาว
This is shrimp
They're shrimp? Oh, they're jumping out.
Can you say กุ้ง
Cool.
กุ้ง
Cool.
เมนู
They're jumping out.
เมนูอีสานกุ้ง
This is shrimp is it we call กุ้ง
Are they baby shrimp or are they just a different breed?
Is it a normal liver? Just a normal liver กุ้ง
Oh, okay. Where did she get these? Did she get these from the farm, the pond?
No just from the liver
Oh, they
I
deliver?
guess so มาจากไหนปะ
มีหวยเขาเนี่ยนะ
Yeah she just from the liver
They look like little ghost shrimp.
It's not like a lobster
Yeah, no, like, in America, people that have like freshwater
the
tanks,
red one what is called
crawdads, the small crawdads, lobster or saltwater.
Yeah.
Crawdads are freshwater. Oh, these are from the pond, huh? Yeah. Strip those down. We eat these later, huh? Very good. Very good.
ไปกระปุก
Oh, I must be going to sell those.
ที่ที่เรียกเรียกหน่อยเรียก
Dad's loading up to go to recyclers. The cardboard, the plastic, and the aluminum. Gonna have to get all that out of here. Oh, we got durian, some of the snails from the pond, and some papaya salad. All right. I already had lunch. I had noodles.
เมนูอีสาน
Yeah, menu, Isaan menu, huh?
เม
Yeah,
นูอีสานต้มหอย
menu
ต้ม
Isaan.
หอย
Yeah, that's
ตำบัก
good.
หุ่งเมนูอีสาน
Yeah.
ก๋วยเตี๋ยว
Oh, look at that.
เนี่ย
Oh, and some sticky rice. I want to see you get another snail out of there with a toothpick.
เอากินแล้วเบิ่งเลยนะครับจิ้ม
That's just technique, folks.
เอาจิ้มหอย
Oh yeah, look at that. Yum yum. That's how you do it right there. Hey, don't forget the cake over here. We got cake.
เค้กแล้วบอกให้กินเค้กเค้ก
Yeah. Okay, we'll see you guys in a couple hours.
งานไก่หลานงั้นนี่กำลังทานกินต้มดูแล้วนะ
Where are you running? Say hi, Bella. Say hi.
น้องไปถ่ายกับลุงฝรั่ง
Little Bella and her family came to see us tonight.
ย้ำน้องแรง
He got a new haircut. He's looking very handsome. Uh-oh, he's off. He's leaving. Oh, nice save, Mom.
no no no
น้องไม่ได้ใส่รองเท้า
ตัดผมเหมือนคือขาดตัว
โอ้ยตัดหลานตัวเนาะนี่เนาะนางตัดอีกเลยเด้อบ่ได้อุ้มเด้อนี่ ขอบคุณค่ะ
อายุครับ
There you go. You're welcome.
ปล่อยน้อง โอ้ยยังเห็นเราจักรยานใหม่แต่ว่าสิซื้อรถไฟฟ้า
Yeah, so Ma's always working. She's working on some Namai. No mai? Bamboo shoots. So that's probably what she's gonna have for lunch. Kind of prepping it like a papaya. Yeah. Just got back from my walk. Well, Trixie and I, and a boy. Check this out. My stick. You see the bend in the end? That means he got put to use today. That snarling, vicious dog got a learning bump on his nose. I don't think he'll be a problem anymore. Queen's eating breakfast. Getting ready to go to work. Mm-hmm. Trixie's getting a haircut today, huh? Fuzz butt. Yeah. She went on her walk today. First time she got to do a walk in about 2.5 weeks. We did our 6.7 kilometers. Huh, Trix? Did you have fun? Is there water over here for you? Doesn't look like it. Let me get you some water. Matt and her neighbor getting dinner. It's a good thing that's bamboo pole because those wires are hot right there. It's non-conductive. All right. Is that for lunch, Mom? Is that to eat later? Yeah. All right, so we got the tile here. I'm gonna stay away from those guys that did the tile and the kitchen build. So I'm gonna go look for another contractor. I'm just gonna go down here to the local tile shop. There's a big tile place down here on the other side of the road. I think it's just past Global House. I'm gonna walk in there and see if they can refer a tile contractor or two to me, and then I'll have Pooey give him a call, set something up, have him come out here and finish the tile work here. So we're gonna get rid of this vinyl here, obviously, and just continue this tile that they started here all the way out to about here or so, and then we'll be good with that. That'll be nice if we get that done. Just to keep it cleaner out here, easier to clean. So that's the deal. Tiles there. I just have to go get some edging, grout, and then the cement they use. But let's see if we can go find us a contractor first. Come on, Trix. Let's go. You can come on the trip with us. Come on. In you go. There you go. All right, we're at the tile shop. I just had a conversation with them. At first they weren't too interested in dealing with me, and then I kind of just posed the question to them, well, you guys sell tile? You do not know any installers? And then he kind of looked at me, and he went in the back, and he was on the phone, and he came back out, and then they have a guy. So he's gonna be calling us later today. But that's it. So hopefully we get this guy squared away. I did the math. He's going to charge by the square meter, which I'm happy with. So I'm happy with the price. So I'm going to go and talk it over with Pooey, and hopefully we get this tile in by this weekend. That'd be nice, because next week I'm going to be in Bangkok. Saturday, Pooey and I are flying to Bangkok. She's coming home Monday, and then I'm coming home Thursday. So we'll see how that goes. I mean, that's going to be a blast in Bangkok. Bangkok's always fun. I'm going to meet some buddies there. We're going to drink some beers, reminisce about San Diego and California. Anyway, that guy's going to call Pooey up. I left Pooey's number with him, and they'll schedule something out. Maybe he can come by the house today and have a look at it. It's not really that much. It's about 300 square feet, or what's that, just under 28 square meters. So it's going to be about another 4,000 baht in labor, which is what, $111 again. So I'm happy with that. I know it's going to take him probably 3 days to do, 4 days to do. So hopefully we get the ball rolling on that and get it taken care of.